Taking a full look at weather now. Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. The rain is back. Got to get those umbrellas.
The rain is back. At least it's warmer out there tonight than it was last night. It was really cold last night, but because this weather system's coming in, it's keeping things a little bit more mild. That's the 7-day inland forecast. It's a thing that we'll talk about later, but let's start with our current temperatures. Here we go. Right now it's still 52 in Salinas and 54 in Monterey, with a few spots inland showing up in the 40s, so a little bit cooler down south, but the clouds have kept things pretty mild as this frontal system works its way through. Really, the front edge of the rain was really a weak warm front coming through, so that's basically right around here, and behind it we're seeing the rain fill in what's called the warm sector of this weather system. Behind it there's a cold front back here that will bring some gusty winds tonight, especially leading up to it. And the rain will also intensify leading up to it. So it's still back here in Northern California. Behind you, notice we're seeing snow in the Sierra Nevada, rain across the Sacramento Valley, really snow showers all the way up across Oregon as well. But this system is a fast mover, so it's going to move all the way through our viewing area overnight and then be out of here for the latter portion of the day tomorrow. So here's FUTURECAST showing the rain mostly in and around the bay here for the next couple of hours, but it does start to stretch down the Big Sur coast as we head through 10 p.m. Now, if you live in the Salinas Valley, like south of Salinas, you probably aren't going to see any rain outside of a sprinkle or two until late tonight or even early tomorrow morning. If you live around the bay, well, you've probably already seen some rain, and it will continue and get a little bit more frequent as we head into the late evening hours. For our northern valleys, we've also already had some showers. That will start to pick up for you as well here over the next couple of hours. Now, it's maybe hard for you to pick out, but there's actually a cold frontal boundary about right here. You can kind of see where the arrows are changing direction a little bit. So right on and along that boundary is where I'm expecting the potentially heaviest rain and gustiest winds. Now, the rain won't be near as heavy as it was with this last system, and nor will the winds be as gusty, but it may be impactful for you if you're out and about at 1 a.m. in the morning. So expect brief downpours, possibly winds gusting a little bit. Could see a few tree limbs down. I'm not expecting winds that will really start knocking down full trees or causing any major issues, but some minor debris flowing around will be possible. Now, it'll start to move to the south as we head through 4 a.m. Notice most of the activities in Monterey and San Benito counties, and we're starting to clear out around the bay. So still can't rule out a few lingering showers around the bay for that morning commute, but outside of wet roads, probably won't be dealing with too much stuff coming out of the sky, basically. Down south, the showers ending by 7 or 8 a.m. And then voila, as we head through lunchtime tomorrow, looking at partly cloudy skies. Might still see 1 or 2 isolated showers out there, but they will be very isolated and semi-infrequent. So really, most of it's going to come through while we're sleeping. These are the best kind of systems. They just fly through, they give us our rain, and then they get out of here. We get a little sunshine so we can sit on the patio at lunch, have a coffee or something, whatever you're into. Here's a look at our FUTURECAST precipitation. A couple inches likely in the coastal mountains where you see the yellow on the map. That's at least over an inch. Most cities around the bay picking up between 1/4 and 1/2 inch of precipitation, so nothing crazy or anything, but much needed rainfall for our area, certainly. As we look at our temperatures tomorrow, as I mentioned, we'll get a little bit of sunshine, so we'll be back in the mid-50s in some instances. Maybe a little bit warmer than what we saw today, but not much, and highs will remain cool for this time of year. How about 54 in Boulder Creek tomorrow, 56 in SoCal tomorrow, and right around the Aptos area, you'll be in the mid-50s. Same in Salinas and Watsonville, Hollister, all in the mid-50s tomorrow. East Shore of the Bay in the mid-50s. We'll sprinkle in some mid-50s on the Monterey Peninsula. Who doesn't love sprinkles, right? Monterey, 55, your high tomorrow. And then down south, we'll see. There's a lot of mid-50s on the map, if you've noticed, for tomorrow. That was just a really easy forecast, I guess, temperature-wise. We're more focused on the rain these days anyway. So we look at the next 7 days. There are some interesting temperatures to talk about, so let's get to that. Your coastal forecast showing rains tapering off tomorrow. It'll still be a little breezy, though. The next couple of days, even though we're going to get more sunshine, may actually be cooler because we're going to be kind of in a chilly air mass, so the lows will get cold. We may even see some patchy frost approaching the coast on Saturday. Otherwise, highs cool for this time of year. A stronger weather system will get here early next week. Expecting some rain with that, maybe for a couple of days, and potentially heavy. It has some warmer air, more subtropical air coming in, and that can act as some fuel. So that's going to be a busy early part to next week. So if you're traveling, keep that in mind. It is going to be kind of messy around the state next week. The weekend's looking great, though. Inland area is also cool and breezy for the next couple of days. Definitely we'll have some cold mornings into the weekend, but the sun will be out in the afternoons. And then again, the rains coming next week, looking pretty stormy. Of course, we're going to keep ahead of it for you.